Next is adding records in a table. How to add record in a table? After entering data in a table, sometimes it is required to make changes in the database. This can be done in various ways. To edit a record directly, scroll through the records or use the record navigation button to find the record to edit. Double click on the cell where you want to make the changes. I will give an example with practical. If you want to add a record in a table, to first is double click on any cell like this, and second method is click on record navigation button. This is your record navigation button. Click on it. Now look here, automatically new row will be generated. Clear? Next is adding and deleting a field. How to add and how to delete a field from the database. Firstly, open a table in datasheet view. This is your datasheet view. Clear? Now you want to delete this city field. How you delete? How you will delete? Firstly, select the field, then right click, then click on delete column. Click on yes. Do you want to permanently deleted the selected field? Yes. So now look here, city field is deleted. Clear? And if you want to insert a new field, so what you do? Right click on it, click on insert column. So your new field will be generated. Clear? Next is moving a field. Next is moving a field. If you want to move name field right side of the subject, so what you do? Firstly, select the column and drag right side. Now look here, your name field will be dragged from right side. Clear? I will give one more example. You want to move class field. Firstly, select and drag right side. You want to move class from the beginning. Firstly select and drag left side. Clear? Next is sorting data within a table. Now you want to sort the data. First, I will give an example. I will write here field name, marks, I will enter the marks here like 34, 23, 12 and 16. Now I want to sort this marks. So firstly select the field, right click on it, sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest. I will sort from smallest to largest, click on it. Now look here, firstly 12, then 16, then 23. This is the sorting data within a table. I will show one time again. If you want to sort the data within a table, select the field that you want to sort and click on sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest. Clear? Thank you class.